Hey y'all, so I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be a review for you guys. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I did buy this ring light with my own money. So yeah, let's get right into this review. And before I start, be sure to like this video, comment down below, and also hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Neewer ring light, and this is the 18 inches. I've been wanting a ring light for so long because I wanted to improve the quality in my videos. So I got this ring light off of Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description box below if you would like to purchase this ring light. Ring light is not on the cheap side, but it is on the affordable side. So it was about $109. This is the dimmable ring light. So this ring light did come with the kit, and I'm going to try to put this bag in here, but we're gonna try. So this is the bag. As you guys can see, it says Neewer. Hopefully you guys can see that. And it's a really huge bag. Inside, I actually put these filters inside the bag. So this is how the filters look like. They are orange, and this is pretty much the nighttime filters. Of course, what I'm using right now is the daytime filters, and you just pop this on the ring light. This ring light does come with the kit, so it does come with the ring light itself and also the stand, including the hot shoe and also the little mount for your phone. It does come with this Bluetooth remote shutter for iOS and Android. This is actually for like if you are trying to take like a selfie or something, like they have the remote. I don't think I'm gonna be needing it. I'm not sure if I will be needing it, but this is pretty cool. And of course it came with the adapter. Now this ring light is amazing, as you guys can see. Like, if you guys seen my older videos, you guys know it was natural sunlight, and I always wanted like a ring light just for my videos, just to do talking videos, or whether it's like makeup tutorials or hair tutorials. I've always wanted a ring light, and I like the fact that it is dimmable and you can dim it whichever like you want. It did come with instructions, so yeah, that was one of the things a lot of people were like, oh my god, like the instructions were not good, like, or it did not come with instructions. I think the instructions were really to the point. This is how it looks like when I'm using the two filters. So I'm using the daylight filters and also the nighttime filters, and this is how it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. Does it look good? I feel like it looks a little weird, I don't know, but let me know what you guys think. This is how it looks like. I guess I kind of look a little bit warm toned. That's what it's trying to give off. Okay y'all, so this is how I look like with just the nighttime filters. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like I look really orange. Like, I've never ever tried these nighttime filters ever. Okay guys, this is my ring light. As you guys can see, it is pretty big, and this is how the stand looks like. So the stand is pretty tall, and then of course you have the hot shoe that connects to your camera. So it is kind of flimsy right here in this area, but it's not too bad. Like, the rest of the stand is pretty sturdy, and then you can flip the ring light over, and then this is the lowest it can go. So that is pretty much it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and also hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video.